This is Michael, 720. This is Aditya, 7226.
This is Mansi, 7249.
This is Harshita, 721. This is Shailja, 731.
Let me discuss the need statement. Sometimes we need some objects that we use only for some time, or we don't use it often, or you don't want to buy them permanently. So here we have come up with the solution of using this Rentall website. Here you can rent any object or any particular studio or a rooms what you want. You can rent it for hours on hourly basis. You can rent them and you can have it for you can relax and have your time and then give it back to our customer services. So here we have the booking slot and you can book it anytime and any date. You can just go to our official website and you have to log into your website and then you have to make payment.
Provides a convenient platform to connect renters with owners, facilitating seamless transactions and enhancing the overall rental experience. Gone are the days of buying items that will only be used occasionally or for a limited duration. With Rentall, users can access a vast catalogue of objects available for rent, eliminating the financial burden and logistic challenges associated with ownership. Rentall is a revolutionary website that aims to transform the way people rent objects such as phones, cars, bikes, studios, and more. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of ownership is evolving, and Rentall recognizes the need of flexible and cost-effective solutions. Whether you need a smartphone or a short-term project, a car for a weekend getaway, or a professional studio for a creative endeavor, Rentall provides a convenient
Existing solutions, those are like RentMojo, Rental Shop, and Fat Llama. They can provide services like daily wise, but in our services we can provide them products like rentals in hourly basis. There are some gaps in existing solutions. Those are like paperwork and delay, and consuming searching process, lack of customer reviews, and so on.
You can see our options like home, product, about, contact, and login. When you have to log in with your mail ID and you can search the objects. You can scroll down and you can get your desired objects. Now I am going for Canon 200D. Now you can click buy now object and the screen will be displayed like this. You can add number of hours and number of for days, which day. Like I am adding 11th of August and directly go for add to cart. And here you can see cart option. In the cart we will be seeing already previous items we have added. Now you can go for Canon 200D and click on proceed to checkout. You can add your billing address, details, phone numbers and contact details, and you can do your payments with card or online payment or anything, and directly you can come to continue to checkout. This is our
About the block diagram of our project. First we have to log in with our mail ID. After logging into the mail ID, we should search for the desired objects or products we require or a place. Next we have to rent the desired places. That means we have to put it into the cart, and next we need to go to the payment. There we should do our payment by using the cards, etc. Next we also have another option that we can put our own objects into the rent. For this option, we are putting a mail ID. For that mail ID, we will send a message that we want to put the objects in your.
Our project rental is that we can not only save money, but we can also earn money. This makes our lives easier and better. The future scope of our website is that we are planning to make this as an application, Android application as well as iOS application. Next, we are planning to collaborate with some organizations and to deliver